All right, boys and girls, today is the second day of a Christmas graph. So this time I want you to do the graph on your own, just like we did yesterday. So you're going to find hearts and color those red. You're going to find circles and color those pink. The diamonds are going to be orange. Well, that kind of looks like red too. Sorry about that. These little guys are going to be green, and your stars are going to be yellow. So I want you to push pause on the video and fill out your graph, and then you're going to push play and match it with mine to see if you got the answers right. So go ahead and push pause and do your graph. All right, boys and girls, so let's check your graph with mine and see how you did. How many of the little diamonds did you find? I found 4. And circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 star and 5 hearts. Very good, boys and girls. That was a hard picture graph or bar graph, and you did awesome. So you won't even believe it, but I have more subtraction for you on this side. So you're going to love it. You're going to be subtraction geniuses by the time you're done with this. So give this a try and then do what your teacher would have you do next.